Step 1. Open the outer box and remove the tailgate extension kit. Unzip the case. Take out the main platform and all accessories. Step 2. Remove the original vehicle screws. Position the brackets. Align both the upper and lower bracket holes with the corresponding holes on the vehicle. Tighten the original screws to secure the brackets. Repeat the same process with the bracket on the opposite side. Step 3. Fully unfold the tailgate extender. Align the tailgate extender with the installed brackets. Ensure the holes of the brackets match the holes on the tailgate extender. Secure them together by shorthand tightening T-bolts. Step 4. Insert the long hand tightened T-bolts through the center holes of the tailgate extender. Secure them with T-nuts. The installation is now complete.